Greetings to all lovers of quality and stylish wristwatches. Today, I would like to tell you about Omega de Ville Watch Company. I would like to offer you Swiss wristwatches from the Omega brand. These watches are made of gold-plated steel, which gives them an exquisite look, as well as tempered glass and waterproofing, making them very durable and reliable to use. The wristwatch can withstand splashes and rain, but swimming with them is not recommended. The wristband is made of steel with gold-plated inserts and a convenient clip for fastening to the wrist of the watch. It is worth noting that these watches were previously used but are in excellent condition and have no damage. These watches have a mechanical mechanism from the Omega manufacturer and need to be wound manually. The mechanism provides a power reserve for 24 hours. The case size is 36 mm, making it an excellent choice for men. These wristwatches are not heavy and are easy to wear every day. I am confident that their quality and ownership history make them a valuable purchase. If you have any questions or need additional information, please do not hesitate to ask me. Best regards, your Citadel Watch.